Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you're doing well. This is the monthly reading for Capricorn or Makar Rashi for the month of October 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energy, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Capricorn or Makar Rashi for the month of October 2025. Sun Moon Rising. So Capricorn, I see you guys. Well, there is positivity. Definitely, the theme of the month is the Three of Cups. So you are gonna meet a lot of people this month. You're gonna mingle with a lot of people this month. There is definitely gonna be exchange of energies. I see you socializing with people, coming together with people. That you are gonna be surrounded by people who help you, who understand you, friends, family, but mostly friends. And there is an overall sense of brotherhood or sisterhood, and this is going to kind of help you in achieving that happiness and satisfaction, overall a sense of wish fulfillment, because the energy that surrounds you is the Nine of Cups. So definitely things are gonna come true, things are gonna get fulfilled for you this month. If there is something that you have wanted for a long time, if there is something that you have wished for a long time, things are like that thing is gonna come towards you this month, and possibly with the help of friends. We'll look into these cards and this energy as we go along, but let's look at the other energies. Now, for your career and finances, I don't see a very good kind of energy, Capricorn, honestly. There is definitely a lot of competition. There is a lot of ego clashes this month for your career and finances. A lot of people are involved here. So, if you're a professional, if you're a working professional or a businessman, I see that your competitors, not just your competitors, people you work with, people you do business with, are gonna have issues with you. There is going to be not physical conflict, I would say, but there is definitely going to be a mental conflict here. There is like a sense of stubbornness. There is a sense of not listening to what the other person is saying, or what the other person is trying to make a point. I see everyone is trying to justify their own views, and this is going to cause issues for you this month in your career and finances. If you're a student, I see there are your peers involved here who will try to kind of knock you down, who will try to take that focus from you, and who will try to get into your head and not let you focus on your studies. So yeah, career and finances wise, not so good energies. We'll get into this now. For your career, like for your love and relationships, good energies. I see you getting opportunities. I see you getting options. Like there is this energy of you receiving a lot of options from the universe. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, but you're gonna get these options, and you might feel a bit overwhelmed at times. आपको लग सकता है कि इतना सारे options है, मैं कौन सा choose करूँ, कौन सा, like which is the thing that I should pursue, because not all things are good, not all things are positive. and not all the things will yield good results. आपको पहले मालूम नहीं होगा कि obviously कौन सा अच्छा है कि कौन सा बुरा है. So I definitely suggest you take your time to decide. हड़बड़ी में कुछ मत कीजिए, because there is also this energy of Page of Cups. So the universe is kind of asking you to understand your emotions, to understand your feelings before taking any decision, because without understanding your own emotions, without understanding how you feel, how you want to approach that person, or how you want to approach love in general, you are gonna get confused, you are gonna get overwhelmed. So there is a need to slow things down and not do anything impulsively. Now, for your health, good energies. I see you getting out of medical issues, getting out of health issues if you have any this month, or if there is something that you were not able to decide upon, if there was something that you were confused about, and there was a lack of clarity. So this month I see you getting that clarity and getting the transparency, and overall coming out of this situation. If there was something that you felt ki should I go for this doctor or should I go for that doctor, or if you felt ki should I even approach medical professionals for this issue, whatever is there, I see you finally getting that clarity and finally making a decision. You will know what you want to do, what you want to pursue, or how you want to take action, or if you don't want to take action, but you definitely gotta get clarity this month. Now, the other energies that is there, like I said, in your workplace, there is competition, there are other people involved, and because of that conflict, because of that, clash, there is definitely going to be an ending of some sort for you. Things are like people are going to conspire against you in a way, and things are going to end for you. So I will, and obviously there is pain involved with every ending. So I would highly suggest you to brace yourself for whatever might come, especially in your workplace or in other sector. But there is definitely some sort of ending there. But the positive side to it is things cannot get any worse from this, and with this ending comes a new opportunity for you to start afresh, for you to start new and start building again. So yeah, and the other energies that is also there, I see you like there isn't much action involved overall in this reading, although there are positive things there, but not much action, because you do get the Knight of Pentacles. So again, sense of trying to understand things, not taking action, which is good, because with the Seven of Cups in the reading, it's always better to not take impulsive action, to make plans, to make a blueprint before taking any action, and I definitely see you doing that. With the Knight of Pentacles, there is little to no action, which is kind of needed for you this month. Now, the energy that you should focus upon is the Nine of Wands. So the universe is kind of asking you to hold your ground, to not back down, like fight if you have to. Don't take whatever is coming your way. Hold your ground definitely, and try to protect yourself, because with the Nine of Wands card, there is this sense of being on guard, being very defensive, and this is exactly what the universe is suggesting. Like I said, see, there is competition, there is conflict, heartbreak and everything, and that is the reason the universe is kind of suggesting you to be on guard, to be cautious and hold your ground. So otherwise, there is definitely positivity in the reading. It's not a negative reading. This is a mixed reading with a mix of positivity and negativity. But you're definitely gonna get help from your friends, from your like-minded people this month. So yeah, overall, a very mixed reading for you, Capricorn. Please be careful about whom you like involve with, or whom you want to get in fight with, because they are gonna be very active. So don't get into verbal fights. If you can, control your emotions. Let people, people who are trying to cause trouble, just let them be. Don't pay attention to them, don't pay heed to them, because the more you start to involve with these people, the more they're gonna get into your head. So yeah, that's all for you. Now let's look at what messages or advice is coming for you this month from the oracle cards. You get sacrifice and Lord Ganesha. So sometimes surrender is painful. God's cutting away all that needs to go. Illusions, obsessions, addictions. It's a sacrifice to love. So this card is asking you to let go of things, to sacrifice things that are not needed in your life, that are not needed in anyone's life, such as illusions, obsessions, and addictions. And the moment you let go of these things, the moment you sacrifice these things to the divine, is the moment when positivity and love is gonna come your way. So yeah, a good card, a positive card, but you have to sacrifice those negative emotions and feelings towards the divine. So that would be all for the reading, Capricorn. I hope you like the reading. Any of the reading resonated with you, do like the video and leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.